How to fix black screen of death on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video I'm going to give you a couple of tips on how you can actually fix if you're having the black screen issue on your Android smartphone. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe your Android device has actually been bricked, it is stuck in a constant loop, or maybe it's just stuck in a random black screen in between. You're not being able to turn it on or anywhere else. So there are a couple of ways to fix it. The very first thing we want to check is that whether our Android phone has enough power. So just go ahead and plug it in a charger, whatever else you get, just plug it in a charger, leave it for at least half an hour or at least 1 hour, then try to just press the volume buttons and the power buttons in order to see if that turns on your phone, because in most of the cases it could be due to insufficient battery charge that actually Android phone is actually dead. Now after that, what you can also do is you have to try to force recover your Android smartphone. So in most of the cases, depending upon which Android phone you use, right, so you could use Oppo, Realme, Vivo, I use Samsung. In your case, the way to recover or hard reset is different. So you can just go to Google and find out how to hard reset your smartphone model. Once you find the option to hard reset, you might have to press the power buttons and the volume downs and the key combinations to hard reset those. When you hard reset it, keep in mind that though all of the applications and everything in it are going to be deleted, you have to start your phone from the very beginning. But at least if that gets your phone turned on, you might as well try that. Hope this video answered your question. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.